Right here, I have the A Ma Maniére While You Was Sleeping Air Force Ones. Gotta make some space for this box. All right, so this is the A Ma Maniére Air Force Ones While You Was Sleeping. This is the 5th out of 6 pairs. There is supposed to be a 7th pair. That's a mystery that we haven't seen yet. But right now, this is pair number 5 out of 6 that we know of. I'm a big fan of these. They look really, really good in hand. All right, so getting into these real quick. We have this nice like mauve leather. The embroidery on the toe is really, really cool. You have 3 A Ma Maniére A's. You have A Ma Maniére on the side instead of air, which is really cool. On the back, we have an A Ma Maniére A with a baby swoosh. On the tongue, you have a leather patch instead of nylon with Nike Air and A Ma Maniére. And the entire interior of this Air Force One is the A Ma Maniére A monogram, which is really cool. And just a nice milky outsole to tie it all together. You also have metal aglets. You have a Nike lace doubre, but on the left pair, we have the A Ma Maniére A on the lace doubre. Really, really cool, really, really simple. Can't really go wrong with this pair, and glad I got them. So far from the While You're Sleeping collection, I have these Air Force Ones, I have the 4s, and I have the 3s. That's about it.